Okay, so today we have our plain t-shirt on because we're doing some hair bleaching. And I gotta be honest, I wasn't expecting you guys back in my bathroom this soon after we just shaved all this off. And do you see the growth? Or no, do you see some growth? So the plan today is to bleach my head. I actually got quite a few comments asking if I was planning on bleaching my head now that it's shaved, just because I mean, like, the platinum and the bald look is like such an iconic look. So I went and picked up a couple things from Sally's, and I'm not new to Sally's, but I assume that they probably don't recognize me every time I come in because I look like a whole new person each and every time. I just got the Salon Care brand bleach and then a 30 volume developer. I was scared to go 40 because I'm just gonna go ahead and go with 30. About a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning that I'm about to use half of this, so it's 0.5 ounces, and so I'm gonna use 0.5 ounces of this as well. I have a mixing bowl, I can't find it, so we're using Tupperware. All good. And since I really have almost no hair at all, I'm just gonna apply it with my hands. I don't feel like I need to bring out a whole brush to like brush it on when there's nothing here. All I have to do is just rub it on my head. Obviously I'm not a professional, you guys. You've seen hair dye videos on my channel before, but I'm not a professional. I'm just a DIYer. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. At work in the morning. So these are the kind of life choices that I make at 1 o'clock in the morning. Half the time I'm like, who needs sleep? And the other half of the time I really feel like I need 10 to 12 hours of sleep to be functioning. Alright you guys, I'm pretty sure every single strand on my head is covered. So I'm just gonna go ahead and catch up on some YouTube videos. And I will be back in just a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and hope that this is gonna be a look when it washes off. And I'll be back in just a minute to show you. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm gonna check and see what we've got under here. And this is Carlos's shower cap, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. I don't know if you can see underneath the bleach, but it looks super white. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out really quick and then I will be right back. Alright, you guys ready to see this? Oh my god. Slytherin in the house right now. This is how it turned out. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it a look? I don't feel like it's like crazy different. I'm sure it is, but now after shaving my freaking hair off, nothing feels that bold. For those of you who asked me to bleach my hair to go blonde, here it is. I feel like it could use a little tone, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I think this is good for now, but I feel like the upkeep is going to be major. I'm just guessing. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already, feel free to subscribe because we're so close to 200,000 subscribers. And now you have to subscribe to me because I just sung that and I didn't need to do that at all. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.